Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.
Hi, I'm Sandi, Jerome, and we're here at Disney's Riviera Resort. This is one of the DVC's smallest properties, not only in its footprint that it takes up here, right at the top of the Caribbean resort, but also in the rooms. It has one of the smallest rooms, which is right behind me. Those are called the Tower Suites. Uh, and they don't even have a bed. They have a Murphy bed that folds out. So take a look at that a little bit later today. But you're wondering, why would people stay here? It actually has some of the most expensive rooms at about $4,000 a night. And this little suite right up here is about $600 a night for the little tiny room. But the reason why people stay here is, as in real estate, location, location, location. Let's take a look at that here. Take a look here, and you'll see behind me here is the Skyliner. And that Skyliner takes you in just a few minutes right into Epcot. Real short little trip there. And it's also a very short trip from the hotel right here to get into and on the Skyliner. So we'll take a little ride on that a little bit later today. And then we'll also give you a room tour along with seeing the rest of the resort. So the Riviera was designed after Walt's visits to Europe with his wife, and they like the European hotels. And as you'll see here, we have the Riviera Resort, the chairs here, and everything. The landscaping here is so perfectly manicured. You have the hedges, the clean, the beautiful sidewalks. So it's actually a beautiful, beautiful resort. So we'll go into the lobby here and take a look. It's right back here. So I parked here in the west parking lot. And then I'm able to go. You can get quickly on the Skyliner if you're just going to go quickly to the day. You'll see way in the distance, there's Hollywood Studios, the tower there. So you could park in the west parking lot here, get on that Skyliner, go to Hollywood Studios for the day. And then those are the tower suites right behind this tree here. There they are. Only 24 of these little tower suites here. And to give you a little price information here, I'm staying here in the high season, so they're 24 points a night, which my points equate to they're $9.77 points. So if you just take $10, so it's $240 a night for a hotel, where other people are paying $4,000 a night. So excellent value. So it comes out to be quite a value. You're able to stay when you probably wouldn't be able to even afford a room otherwise. So this is definitely a European style hotel. Fountains, beautiful palm trees here as you come in. And it's a very stately hotel. Well, here's my tiny room. It's just when you come in the door, it's almost shocking how they have been able. It's very European, very able to put so much in such a small space. So that's the bed. It'll be a Murphy bed. It'll pull out, and it even comes with some instructions here to tell you how to make the bed. And you won't have to make the bed, but how to pull out the bed. I have an amazing view. I have a fountain here. I have the Skyliner out my window. I can just watch that go by all day long. This is the coffee maker area and a desk. So that's right here. When I pull out the bed in a few minutes, it'll be right next to me. So it's kind of convenient. I have my own patio here, which basically I can just go out this door. Oh, but I can't lock it, but I can go out this door and go right on the Skyliner. So and this is kind of like a little table area where I can put some food and things. And here's the refrigerator area, or the kitchenette, as they may say. And this most likely is going to be my little tiny refrigerator. Yes, it's a refrigerator. Don't know if it has a freezer or not. No, it's more of a beverage refrigerator. And the microwave. This is probably going to be my Oh, it actually doesn't have plastic. It has real items. It has a toaster, which you don't have at the Grand Floridian, and little soap and paper towels. Oh, I like this little thing that holds the forks and knives. That's very nice. Really nice touches. My extra pillow and blanket. And that's what's in the drawers here. I imagine those are just storage. Yes, those are just for storage. Okay. And this is probably has a little bit more storage. Pull that up, and figure that out. In the bathroom, actually quite spacious of a bathroom. No tub though. I do like my nice bath, but it is going to be a hot one today, 85 or 87. So I'm not sure if we need a bath here. Has the little shampoos, but it is a big shower. Look at that, 2 shower heads, rain shower, and then the nozzle here. And there I am. Hello, how are you? And we have probably a trash can in here. More. There's our hair dryer and our toilet paper, although I do bring my own toilet paper. Very fussy. And here's another view of the room from the other angle. So they have beautiful artwork on there. I would imagine that's from Aristocats. Not positive. And there's the front door and my bag. Seeing where the closet would be. Might be this door that I couldn't seem to open. So probably that's the closet there. Let's see if I can do an open now. Up, there it goes. Okay. Just have to pull it. The front door is the same way. I really had some trouble getting it in. But you have everything you'd expect in a DVC. Oops, steamer. My. Ironing board. You're safe. Hmm. So I moved this out of the way, and it is storage in there. It's open for storage. Move the other one here in case I want to set up really close to the TV. I'll work on my laptop or something over there, although there's a desk. And now I can pull the Murphy bed down. So overall, even with the bed out, still a nice room. Certainly can't beat the location. There's the Skyliner, and my car is parked right over here in this parking lot where you see those cars. This morning when I filmed right there on that trash can with this in the background. So very great location. Have a fountain right outside my window. Have the Skyliners to watch. And the bathroom right there. So has everything that I need. Love this resort. I had come here thinking I was going to be disappointed like I was at the Grand Floridian, but I was pleasantly surprised. I thought this room was going to be too small, but it's actually perfect size. I think anyone would really enjoy it. And that feature item of not being on a long hallway with the screaming kids going up and down, being instead out here in this tower was very nice. Can't beat the Skyliner, being able to watch that going by every day. Um, I recently released my book, or it's actually going to be released this month. It's out on Kindle, out on paperback, and going to be out on Kindle. This is my Kira and Henry War Games. So it was a little celebration for me, in addition to it being my birthday. So great place to come for my birthday. Enjoyed getting the treats this morning. And I can't say enough good things about this hotel. It's small and intimate. It's beautiful. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. And it has wonderful restaurants and easy, so easy to find your way around. So I think you'll enjoy your visit here at Disney's Riviera DVC Resort.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.